Welcome to today's lesson, and today we are looking at pH calculation. Very easy. If you need assistance, you need my mentorship for this exam that you have. Okay, you need any material. Is it a compressed JAMB syllabus? That big syllabus have compressed everything into one small notes with past questions inside, or you want the most repeated JAMB UTME questions available in physics, chemistry, and biology? All you have to do, just send me a message on WhatsApp. All right, send me a message on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. Or you want me to coach you for the exam? Send me a message on WhatsApp. JAMB must repeat question 1 under pH calculation. The hydrogen ion concentration of a sample of orange juice, that's the acidic ion, the acidic concentration of a sample of orange juice, is 2.0 times 10 to the power minus 11 mole per decimeter cube. What is its pOH? That's this one is for alkali. That's the alkaline side of the what of the pH scale. What is it? What pOH? All right. So look at all the options given. You can see that most of them are alkaline. They need 10.7 alkaline, 11.7 alkaline, 13.7 alkaline. Now only this one 3.3 be acidic for inside. All right. So very easy. The formula for pH is pH equal to negative log whatever they give you. Okay, negative log whatever they give you. So here they give us hydrogen ion, so we'll put us in a hydrogen ion plus. Okay, negative log hydrogen ion. Okay, pH, that's acidic pH plus alkaline pH. Okay, both of them is equal to 14. Now they make up the scale at waiting room temperature. Okay, that's 25 degrees Celsius. So at room temperature, this plus this now 14 for the scale. Okay, so the standard scale, standard pH scale. Okay, standard pH scale is equal to 14. Okay, from 0 to 14. Standard pH scale from 0 to 14. All right. So let's now solve. Okay, since pH is equal to negative log whatever they give you. For here now they give us hydrogen ion. So see the hydrogen ion where they give us here. See the concentration here. Now we go put inside here. So we go say pH is equal to negative log. What did they give us? 2 times 10 raised to power minus 11. Okay, I just come out that 0 because it's useless. All right. So pH is equal to what? What we go apply for here now as we get this negative log, this thing. Remember that law for logarithm. Okay, the law states 10 raised to power s is equal to s. So for here we get pH equal to minus log 2 times 10 raised to power minus 11. Okay, so what this law they tell us now say any power, anything where they raise in power is equal to that power. So we'll bring this thing on here. So pH is equal to negative log. Okay, remember say all log, anything log we get base 10. Okay, there must be base 10. If base 10 no, they put base 10 must be. Then this one we can't get 2 times 10 raised to power minus 11. Okay, so if we follow this law now for this power we dey here, meaning say everything we dey here now go be equal to what? It go be equal to 11 because 10 raised to power s go give us s. So these two go separate, then it will come be raised to power this minus 11. So we can write that pH is equal to negative log 2. We can carry the 2 come outside. Okay, since this one now equal to this one, it will come be 2 then equal to bracket minus 11. Okay, following this law, very easy, base 10. All right, so this base 10, remember say any logarithm, any log they always carry base 10. Okay, base 10 no mean say you join the calculation. Base 10 they always did there. Maybe you just do that one. Base 10 they always did there. All right, so pH is equal to log 2 base 10 now. Waiting be log 2 base 10. Log 2 base 10 now. So we go bring our minus come down minus. We can get something like 0.3010. So log 2 now 0.3010. Abi, that be log 2. All right, then waiting we can get for here. We can plus and waiting we get for a plus. This one minus 11. Okay, minus 11. Bracket close. So our pH is equal to minus. We bring our minus down. We can put these two for inside bracket because there be numbers. Okay, 0.3010 plus times minus will give you waiting. We want to open this bracket. Plus times minus will give you waiting. It will give you minus. Okay, that's minus 11. Bracket close. All right. So our pH is equal to this one 0.3010 minus 11. It will give you minus, because in a 0 point something we can't give you, we can't put more, bring our minus down. Remember saying a negative log minus 0.699. Okay, if you minus this one. All right, so our pH will now be equal to, we want to open the bracket with this minus times minus will give you plus, so it will give us plus 10.699 and 10.699 and see the same thing. So this is approximately 10 points. This one, add this one to this one, round up, it will be 10.70. All right, so for the pH scale we'll come balance to calculate pH. Okay, calculate pOH from the standard scale. Now to your minus this one from the standard scale. Okay, so it will now be equal to pOH. Okay, is equal to 14 minus pH, which is what? What we get 14 minus this our 10.70. That will give us what? It will give us our pOH will now give us 3.30. So 3.30 is the answer. So among the options, find the correct option and drop it in the comment section. Let's move on to number 2. Still under the pH calculation, question 2 reads, if hydrogen ion equal to 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 mole. What is the pOH of the solution? Very easy. Very easy. We apply the same formula we use just now. pH is equal to, remember the scale, negative log. Okay. Here they give us with hydrogen ion. Okay. Bracket close. Now this one you always apply. Okay. So if we substitute what we get, see what they give us here, the value they give us here. pH is equal to what they give us here, negative log. Okay. We put them inside. Okay. 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. Anything times 1 now equal to 1. No be. Yes now. Anything times 1 now equal to 1. So pH equal to negative log. Okay. 10 raised to the power minus 8. Okay. We'll come apply that log which states 10 raised to the power s is equal to, or is the same thing as what? S. So 10 raised to the power minus 8 is the same thing as minus 8. So we will apply and here pH is equal to minus or negative log. Okay. This one now will come to 8 because of this log. Okay. Negative log minus 8. Put them inside brackets. Very simple. We don't almost solve finish. We don't almost solve finish. So what we get here will come be pH is equal to minus, okay, we come out this log now, minus bracket minus 8. Now what we will come get. Okay, so opening the bracket, minus times minus will give us plus. So pH is equal to plus 8. Okay, so what we go do next? We do waiting. We calculate our pH with scale. Remember they said this, so what is the pOH of the solution? So we will calculate our pOH with scale. Sorry, calculate pOH. Okay, using the standard scale. So since that this one now be our pH, it will come be pOH is equal to waiting. Just minus and from the standard scale, you get your answer. So pH is equal to waiting be our pOH 14 minus 8. So therefore our pOH is equal to 14 minus 8 will give us 6. So the answer is 6. So among the options, pick the correct answer and drop it in the comment section. If you didn't say exam hall, don't need to do all these ones. Just know say your final answer you minus that from 14. Okay, you minus from 14 to get your answer. What you need to do concern about now how to solve all this log, please. Okay, remember say log 2, okay, is equal to 0.3010. Just remember say log 2 is equal to 0.3. Log 2, you put that for your head, is equal to 0.3. If you still cram log 3 join, just cram log 2, cram log 3, cram log 5 2. Okay, cram log 5. JAMB they always set from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They only set past all these ones. Okay, just know. But the one where they mostly they set, the most common now 1. Yeah, they'll set 1 times 10 raised to power something, or they'll set 2, the most 2 times 10 raised to power something. Say the 2 make and they too difficult now 2. So put this weight in this log for head. Okay, log 2 now 0.3010. Alright, or just put that for head as log 2 now 0.3. Put that for your head. Alright, so with this we have come to the end of chemistry calculation. Okay, JAMB chemistry calculation. I will see you all in flying colors. Alright, I'm seriously rooting for each and every one of you guys. Alright, so go and bring that result. Let's celebrate. Go and bring that result. Let's celebrate. I am not teaching any one of you next year. That will never happen. So I will not teach you next year. So go back to the series. Go and start taking all the lessons, all the videos from the beginning. Okay. Ensure you are making your notes. As you are taking the video, keep making your notes. Then practice with your past question and answer. Okay. Not just practicing with any past question and answer. Practice with my most repeated past questions and answer. Remember, you have the calculations inside the past questions. You have the explanations inside the past question. So do yourself a favor. Do yourself a favor and take this JAMB team you answer for all. All right. I will see you guys on the other side.